Hello everyone, this is Chris with Peace of Mind Art and Crafts, and I'm here to show you actually part 2 of the journal that I've been working on, the one that has the slow stitch cover. And I did finish it. I'm going to do a flip through of it, and then I'll put it on my Etsy shop. As you know, we did this cover using the slow stitch piece that I then glued on to another piece of fabric, which is this kind of silk looking damask. Actually, I'm sure it's not silk, it's acrylic. And as you may remember from the first video, we glued on the lace on the front. I showed you how to that I bound it, and it is tied with a pretty ribbon on the side. And the theme of this journal is roses and flowers, and actually I have some bees in there, and I have lots of butterflies. So I have a couple little charms hanging from the bottom. One is a rose, and the other one is a bee. So those are the charms. Let's open it up, and I can show you. We did work on it a little bit in the first video, and I'll show you what I did to complete it. I did add some more roses onto the front. Those are simply glued down. And I have some pockets in the front. Here's a large journaling card with roses. Going to be written on the back, and actually I'll add on some areas on the front. Second page has a pocket with a couple of tags in it. Another side pocket. And throughout this journal I did some stenciling of roses on the background. And I did them kind of lightly so they can also be written over the top of on these spaces. The reason I did that is because the pages were so white, and I did it to kind of get rid of all the whiteness on the pages. And then I used my my rose stencil, and I used my brush. This is a makeup brush. And I used my vintage photo ink. And then so after I stenciled it, then I also went around and got rid of some of the white by going onto the pages with a little bit of the ink. Okay, and I could go over this butterfly too a little bit if I wanted to make it look like it has kind of a shadow in the background. So that's how I did the stenciling that you'll see throughout the journal. And here's a journaling card. Some birds. Also, I have some birds in here, since birds go along with gardening, don't they? Actually, this journal could be used for any purpose, but I just thought if a gardener had it, it would be very appropriate for a gardener. Okay, and we have a little girl with her basket of flowers and some yellow roses. Another tuck spot and a card. Some of the pages have lace on the edges. There's a circle that I cut out with a punch and used that as a tuck spot. A couple little tags. A corner tuck spot. This is one of the snippets I made on paper and then tore the paper. I made them like on a large sheet of paper. I believe I have that in one of the videos. Tag. Here's a little journaling card. An extra spot for journaling inside of the pocket. Okay. There's some roses, various roses. I use some tabs. These are from GCure Digitals, and she had some flower and butterfly tabs that I purchased on digitals, and then I cut them out and used them as the tabs. Here's a tuck spot for a journaling card. I like this photo because she had this great big giant bouquet of roses. Okay, here's some more some paper. This paper is from Artie Mays. It's a digital that has a lot of gardening stuff on it and flowers and so on. And this is a little snippet that I glued down. There's some pages in here that are, these are actually digitals. They're not coffee dyed. I mean, they were originally, and whoever did them then put them onto digitals. And when I printed them on both sides. Here's another digital with sewing stuff, but I liked it because it had a lot of roses in it. Corner tuck. Some book pages. Here's the page that we did together that I did with the Mod Podge that I had stained. And in the first video I showed you how to do that. More pages. More rose stenciling. This is the center of the signature. This journal has one signature. And plenty of journaling space. Lace on the side. There's a pocket with some tags in it. The background paper is roses. I think it's from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I have a lot of her digitals. Okay, and this is an envelope. Little tag inside to write on. And it has a pocket in the back and also has a pocket in the front. Book pages. Okay, fabric flip with little birds and flowers. Here's the other side of the sewing digital. Some more of the coffee paper, coffee dyed digital paper that I made on both sides. Here's the other side of the Artie Mays paper, the dog rose. Actually, there is a rose called a dog rose. That's what it looks like. Here's one of my slow stitch snippets, along with a little journaling card in there for writing on the back. Here's a flip-up, Rita Donnelly flip-up. You can write there, and also, of course, journal there. Okay, and here's a place for a photograph. I put this in this lady. Isn't she great? I like the rose on her lapel. And she's really happy, I think. But anyway, that comes with the journal. You can, of course, take that out and put your own photograph in there. Here's a pocket. The little booklet in there with a couple of pages. The rose paper. And stenciling. There's another side tuck. I like using these ruffles for little side tucks for photographs. And I generally put them on the patterned paper. And another thing you could also do on the pattern paper is just glue on a photograph right on that paper. Here's a page that I put a piece of lace on the bottom. A little tuck spot. The journaling card. This one has, I think, lavender and bees. This is fabric on here. There's more yellow roses. Belly band. Excuse me, I have to sneeze. As you all know, that happens mostly every video. And here's a journaling card. Felt rose on it. Another journaling card in this pocket. This one's rather plain. Good for writing on. And the last pages have a little booklet. Its own mini journal. You can keep it in here, or you can use it for other things. And another card for journaling. Okay, so that's the flip through of the slow stitch journal. Made has lots of roses and flowers, bees and butterflies in it. Okay, ties at the side. Thanks for joining me today. My my video for the giveaway is still open until February, the end of February, the last day, which is the 28th. And then I'll be choosing a winner on that video. And you can get there by going to my channel. I thank you for joining me, and I wish peace of mind to everyone. Bye for now.